invited the former president. You're saying that you're going to give dignity to his office. Do it. Don't ever commit the mistake of embarrassing the president, former president, humiliating the former president, assaulting his integrity and reputation, and misleading people about him. And maniwala kayo, you will be receiving what you are looking for. Sabi nga ni Elvis Presley, if you're looking for trouble, you came to the right place. O kaya, pag naghahanap kayo ng gulo, itong mamang to, hindi kayo urungan ito. Pero siya pupunta ron bilang dating presidente na inanyayaan nyo bilang panauhin. Kaya tratuhin nyo ng maganda. Kailan?
Ako gusto ko smoke sa Alpanero. Gusto ko bumira sila eh.